Yes, firstly, big fans of all of you. Please give them all a huge round of applause. This is the amazing Masti Trio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
But we're missing something. We're missing something right now. I think that is the main essence of this thing.
Something or someone?
I think someone, no?
Okay.
I think,
so let me start.
Why don't you take over?
थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोग सब यहाँ पर आज आए हो. आज एक बहुत ही अनोखा दिन है हमारे लिए और मुझे याद है कि जब हमने मस्ती की शुरुआत 2003 में की थी तब हम तीनों पर एक लड़की का भूत सवार था.
और 2013 में जब हमने ग्रैंड मस्ती की तब हम तीनों पे 3 लड़कियों का भूत सवार था.
अरे लेकिन जब भी हमने मस्ती की है कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा उल्टा हो जाता है.
हाँ.
अब देखते हैं 2016 में क्या कांड करते हैं हम लोग. क्या बजर
कांड क
सर उधर देखिए सर.
सर कंपनी का क.
अच्छा कंपनी
क.
कृष का काल का क.
अच्छा ठीक है यार.
कंपनी का क.
बजर दबा.
आप कौन?
Hi,
अच्छी.
I'm Ragini.
रागिनी MMS.
MMS नहीं, SMS. Simple मगर sexy. और मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ ताकि आप सब पे मस्ती का भूत चढ़े. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to all of you, Grand
Masti!
Thank you.
All right. So I'm going to ask Vivek also. How was the experience of working third? This is, I think now it's grander also than ever. Masti is grander than ever. How was the experience working on Great Grand Masti?
It was great Grand Masti, man. It was great Grand Masti throughout the set. It was incredible fun during the shoot. And I just love these guys. I love working with them. They're like family to me. This whole team, this whole incredible... I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. And it was amazing. It was amazing. And we're really excited about Masti 4. Oops. Cat out of the bag. Oops.
Yeah. We will surely make Masti 4.
Yes.
Any ideas for the title?
Later.
All right. So we'll have some questions from the media also. Can we have a few questions from there?
नाही सेन्सर्ड कॉपीज तुम्हाला दाखवल्या आता.
तरी काय अनुभव करायला काय
कसला
सेन्सॉरचा
चांगला होता. पास केले त्यांनी सगळं.
आणि पिक्चर हा तर ट्रेलर झाला आणि सिनेमा
अहो पाहता येऊ दे ना सगळं आजच दाखवू तुम्हाला.
Yes, next question. Next question.
Sorry?
No, obviously they've had a lot of fun doing that. You can see that.
I don't know. I think कुछ चीजें होते जो बिना सोच के करते. This is one of them.
I think there was a kind of...
अगर सोचते तो ये कर ही नहीं पाते.
But Induji was kind of inspired. I mean, he looked at it almost like a modern work of art. He called it Teen Bamdar.
वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको.
Hi.
Yeah, वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको. I just had a question. Men normally stand to take a leak. Why would you sit?
I wasn't taking a leak. I was taking more than a leak.
Yeah, but why would you think he was taking a leak?
Point. No, but I was taking more than a leak.
Yes. Moving on.
He just loves hugs.
चल इसी बात पे हक दे इसको. Such huggers I've got.
Yes, I'm going to ask Urvashi also. She's been very quiet. But how was the experience working with these 3 naughty boys here?
Okay, first of all, thank you so very much to all the members of media and everyone present here. The experience was worthwhile. It is the most challenging character I've ever played till now. This is my 3rd film. I'm so very excited and so thrilled. I'm so very thankful to the trio. Be it like Ritesh, Vivek, Aftab, all 3 of them are amazing co-actors and they supported me in each and every scene and I had a blast shooting for it. and my director especially, Indra Kumar. He's the captain of ship. And I have always adored as a childhood, you know, all his films, be it like Beta, Man, and Dhamal. All these are my favorite films. And Masti has always been my favorite film. And somehow this is the first comedy genre which I'm attempting, and I just hope it turns out to be successful. Also my producer, Ashok Takeria, and everyone. I'm so sorry if I missed out on names. So thank you so much, Indra sir. You are amazing, and I cannot believe that without even in just like a 5 minutes meeting, how were you able to select and give me such a significant role in the film? I want to ask you. I mean, what made you select me? Because there was thousands and thousands of girls.
इसको देखते ही मुझे लगा कि भूतनी तो यही है. But प्यारी भूतनी.
How easy? Do you see him doing anything else?
Ever. I was scared when you asked that question, what is he doing in this poster? I was scared for you, I swear. I mean, I love him, but I was scared for you.
No, I think it's because the script is written so well, and every line that you say is out of innocence. So if you can portray innocence, even if it is, it has a double meaning or it has a certain naughtiness, I think it's palatable. So I think we tried to maintain a certain kind of innocence in the characters that we portray while doing a naughty comedy.
Please don't ask us serious questions.
ये please record करके हम लोगों को दे देना, आगे बहुत काम आने वाले.
I know.
ये answers.
Ritesh, I have a question.
Nothing at all. I think he spoke for all three of us.
Yeah. And also
he's very good at mouthing dialogues.
And also, Mr. Indra Kumar said, no, we are growing younger every year. So we look more innocent when we do such things. So
show them your innocent face, Fafu.
Ritesh, I have a question for you. Here.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Ritesh, like we all know, in Marathi also you made a film last year and you became quite a popular, like everyone loved your performance and all. So now when you like make a movie which has such adult content and all, आपको लगता है कि आपकी मराठी audience जो है वो एक like disappoint हो जाएंगी कि आपने एक ऐसा adult movie किया?
No, I don't think so, because that released next year after Grand Masti. मुझे लगता है कि as an actor, I get an opportunity to various kind of genres, and adult or naughty comedy being one of them. So I don't think I look down upon any genre for that matter. And I'm happy that that Grand Masti was a successful film, and that's the reason we are coming back with Great Grand Masti. And I'm happy that Lay Bhari was successful. And you know, I got a chance to do Ek Villain, which was completely different. That was also did well. So I'm okay. I guess audiences have been very kind towards me, and I thank them all. Thank you.
And to add to that, I mean, just to clarify the air, I mean, Great Grand Masti is a family film. इसे देखने के बाद हिंदुस्तान में families बढ़ेंगी.
Okay, I'm going to ask the boys here, okay, all the boys. Tell me one memorable incident on the film that, you know, on Great Grand Masti, that will make it epic. Fafu?
I'm actually terrible with all this, so I'll give it to him.
No, I think, interestingly, when this film was narrated to me, we all were sitting and toying with the idea, okay, if Induji said, we've cracked an idea, and let's do this film. I think the fact that it's about a ghost in their life, and that changes everything. कि पहले हम लड़कियों के पीछे होते थे, अब लड़की हमारे पीछे हम भाग रहे. So it's a reverse thing in the entire film, and I think that was unique. And while shooting that,